What's up guys, my name is Deauthing here for Troubleshoot, and today I've got a super simple video for you that a lot of you might not know about. So basically, you can log into your Steam account on a friend's or family's PC, and you can share some of your games for them to play without them having to log into your account first. And of course, as soon as you decide to start playing a game, they'll unfortunately get kicked out. But when you're not using your account, someone in your family can be. And this is rather useful. So before we get into actually showing you how to enable and use Steam Family Sharing, first of all, you'll need to have Steam Guard enabled. That's all that the website says for family sharing. So I'm not sure if you'll need it on one or both accounts, but having it enabled on both accounts is probably what they mean. Then once you have it enabled, on the PC that you want to share to, you're going to have to log into Steam first. Then once you've logged into Steam, you'll see all of your games on the far left-hand side, and say you wanted to share some or all of them. How exactly do you do that, sharing them to another person's account on that computer? Well, simply we need to A, authorize the computer, and then B, authorize their account. So assuming that they were logged in before you logged in, then everything is set up. All we need to do is click on Steam in the top left and head across to Settings, then into the Family tab, and we'll see Family Sharing. All we need to do is click Authorize Library Sharing on this computer, and below we'll have a list of all accounts that were previously logged into on this computer. All we need to do is select what account we want to family share with, and upon clicking OK, we've now family shared. So if we head back to Steam Settings, Family, and we head into Manage Other Computers, we can go ahead and remove other computers that we've authorized so they can no longer play our games. So after we've authorized this account on this PC, all we need to do is simply log into that account. So from here, you can sign out of your account and let your friend or family member sign back in. Then once you're logged into the account that you just family shared to, you'll see all of the games from the other account listed on the list over here. If I were to go ahead and find a game that this account doesn't own and simply try to start it up, say this one over here, Don't Starve Together, you'll see that it says from the library of and then the account that you have it family shared from. After clicking play, the game will simply just launch because we family shared it from our other account. Now, of course, because my other account is logged out, I can go ahead and play as many games as I want for as long as possible. Though, of course, there are some limitations. The game crashed while I was trying to close it there. Of course, there are some limitations, like some games aren't allowed to be family shared. I think some of the Call of Duties are, and Rust, usually because of anti-cheat means or other means. But besides that, most of the games you can family share. Assuming I'm playing a game, if I log into my main account on another computer and start up either that game or a different game, then I'll have a couple of minutes to go ahead and finish up, save up, and then I'll eventually get booted out of the game and back to the screen over here, where I can go ahead and play any of my own games. Now, previously, there was a little feature over here to go ahead and sort to only the games on your account, though right now I'm unable to find this for some reason. But there usually is a way to sort games that are actually just owned by your account, and that's about it. So anyways, that's about it for this video. That is how to Steam Family Share games with other accounts on your computer or other computers. My name's been Deauthing here for Troubleshoot. Hopefully this video helped you, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!